welcome to our channel. My name is Ashwini and today we are going to talk about MBA project final report. So here is a report developed by our team Parthenium project. The report name is Fake Product Review Monitoring and Removal for Genuine Rating. So this is one of the project developed by our Parthenium project team, and this project is developed using sentimental analysis and opinion mining. Opinion mining and sentimental analysis is one and the same. So, sentimental analysis is a text based analyzing whether the product is fake or real. So, this is about the overall project. So, let us see the abstract. Here you can see the abstract. Here we have mentioned Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal and so on. And this paper mainly based on fake product or junk mail via using opinion mining. Opinion mining is likewise a sentimental analysis. Sentimental analysis, I told you what is sentimental analysis. It is a text based analyzing whether the product is fake or real. So text based is nothing but each and every application you have reviews, comments, ratings. So based on this ratings, reviews, we are going to analyze whether the product is fake or real. So that is what opinion mining is. So opinion mining as well as sentimental analysis is same. So this is what we are talking about. And here this is about chapter 1. We have included introduction. In introduction we have several topics over there. E-commerce and online review, scope, objective, problem definition, challenging in the system, existing system and limitation we are going to see. Chapter 2. Literal reviews. So here we have a technique to perform target of the student. So here we have a diagram you can see here. Next we have chapter 3, research methodologies. We are going to see research methodologies. In research methodology we can see here a system architect. Next we have under methodologies we have implementation of methodology. Here we have hardware requirement and software requirement. Next we have sentimental analysis process. What is the process? We are going to see it here. This diagram is showing sentimental analysis process. Next we have chapter 4, data analyzing and interpretation. In that we have review content analysis, data collection. So here you can see one of the figure. Next we are going to see Amazon review data set statics. So under this, next we are going to see architectural design, spam and fake reviews detection method, graph based approach. So this is one of the graph you can see here. The review graph structure consisting of reviewers, review and store notes. Next we have classic result in example graph. Next you can see this graph. You can see the classification and they have given an example using this particular graph. Next it is product review histogram. So here you can see different bar graph, each and every graph. The blue bar indicates the review with rating less or equal to 3 and the curve represents the estimation density of histogram. There are 7 reviews in the first red bar, and in this graph you can see different ratings given by the user. Next you have overall overview of the fake review filter system. Next you have flowchart of proposed review spam detection system. Next you have network structure of multi-layer with one hidden layer, overall diagram, flowchart for the system, data flow diagram. It is also called as data flow diagram. Next you have use case use case diagram, use case diagram 2, sequential diagram, class diagram, ER diagram composed sender and receiving mail. The last chapter is conclusion and recommendation, future scope, result, future work and references. So these things we are added in our final project. The contact details are given in the description box, and if you need any changes in the project, we are going to do the modification for this project. Contact details are given in the description box. You can contact us.